In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sell on Wix e-commerce step by step. If you're looking to set up an online store to sell digital products, Wix provides an intuitive platform that makes it easy for anyone to get started. Let's dive right into the process. First things first, if you haven't already, head over to Wix.com and create an account. Once you're logged in, you'll find yourself at your Wix dashboard. Click on Edit Site to start customizing your online store. This will open Wix's site editor where we can begin building your e-commerce site. Now from your Wix dashboard, go to Apps and click on Get Apps. Here we're going to search for Wix Stores. Once you find it, click Add to Site to integrate this essential tool with your website. Wix Stores allows you to manage both physical and digital products, providing great flexibility for your business needs. To sell digital products, navigate to your site dashboard, open Store Products, then select New Product, followed by Digital Product. Here's where you'll enter critical information about your digital product. Start with the product name and provide a detailed description. You'll need to upload the necessary files, whether they're PDFs, MP3s, JPGs, or zip files. Next, add a captivating product image and set your price. Given it's a digital product, choose No Shipping Required. You'll then move on to configuring product settings. If you'd like to limit how many times a customer can download the product, set download limits here. Enable automatic delivery so that Wix can send a download link automatically once a purchase is completed. Don't forget to add SEO settings to your product page, including a title, description, and keywords to increase visibility and attract buyers. Once your product is ready, it's time to set up payment methods. Go to Settings and select Accept Payments. Here you'll have the option to enable Wix Payments, PayPal, or any other supported payment gateways. It's important to enter your bank account details to ensure you receive your payouts promptly. Offering multiple payment options can ease the purchase process for your customers. Wix will automatically generate a product page for each digital item, but you'll want to customize it. Add images or graphics that make your product stand out. Highlight key benefits and ensure there are strong call to action buttons like Buy Now or Add to Cart. Before you officially launch your product, it's crucial to test everything. Make a test purchase to ensure the payment system functions smoothly. Verify that the download link is sent to your email or the customer's email, and test file accessibility along with download speed. Finally, promote your digital products effectively. Share your product pages across social media, email newsletters, and blogs. Consider using discounts or coupons to incentivize purchases, and don't forget to optimize your site for SEO to capture organic traffic. And there you have it, a comprehensive guide to selling digital products on Wix. Equipped with this step-by-step process, you're now ready to take your e-commerce